For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of dealing with frustrating car stereos that can't keep up with your music streaming needs? Do you find yourself stuck with outdated systems that lack Bluetooth connectivity and USB ports? Well, I've got some good news for you. Today, we're going to take a look at the Alpine CDE-172BT, a powerhouse of a head unit that's packed with features to revolutionize your driving experience. But here's what surprised me. As a car audio enthusiast, I was blown away by the sheer amount of features this unit offers. Not only does it come equipped with Bluetooth and USB connectivity, but it also boasts a built-in HD radio tuner, giving you access to crystal-clear digital radio signals. But that's not all. The CDE-172BT also supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to seamlessly integrate your smartphone into your driving experience. But before we dive deeper, let me ask you this. Have you ever tried to navigate through a crowded highway while simultaneously trying to find the perfect song on your phone? It's chaotic, right? Well, with the Alpine CDE-172BT, that nightmare is over. This unit comes equipped with a high-resolution touchscreen display that makes it easy to navigate through your music library and adjust settings on the fly. Now you might be thinking, what about integration with my car? Don't worry, I've got you covered. The Alpine CDE-172BT is designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of vehicles, including those with factory-installed infotainment systems. Therefore, one of the standout features of this unit is its ability to connect directly to your vehicle's parking brake wire, eliminating the need for any additional adapters or wiring. This means you can enjoy hands-free control over your music and phone without worrying about complicated installation procedures. Let's take a closer look at some of the key specs. 6.95-inch touchscreen display, built-in HD radio tuner, supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth and USB connectivity, parking brake wire connection for hands-free control. But what really sets the Alpine CDE-172BT apart is its impressive audio performance. With a built-in equalizer and time correction system, you can customize your sound to perfection, whether you're in the mood for deep bass or crystal clear highs. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this thing worth the investment? Well, let me tell you, if you're tired of dealing with outdated car stereos that can't keep up with modern technology, then the Alpine CDE-172BT is an absolute must-have. Therefore, in terms of value, this unit offers a level of performance and feature integration that's unmatched by its competitors. With its cutting-edge design and impressive specs, it's clear that Alpine has raised the bar when it comes to car audio head units. But don't just take my word for it, let's dive deeper into some real-world tests to see how this unit holds up under actual driving conditions. For the best price, click the link in the description.